just turn on the stove and I'm gonna make it high at first, right? I want it to bubble up. Okay, it's not gonna bubble up first, but I stir in my ingredients a little bit. Stirring it up. And a lot of the Spanish dishes that I cook traditionally, we call this sofrito. Sofrito is what it's called. And every Spanish country has different kinds of sofritos. Some of them are green, and some of them are more tomatoey. This is like a tomato type based sofrito. We first put it in the pot and we let it boil a bit, and we move it around like this. Waiting for it to boil. And as we're waiting for it to boil, I should discuss that we do use different peppers. You know, we don't have to just use the habanero peppers. We can actually use the serrano pepper or a little bit of a jalapeno pepper too.